This short video will show you how to use the Smeg Personal Blender. Firstly, place the ingredients you wish to blend in the bottle, taking care not to exceed the maximum of 600 millilitres. For best results, add any hard ingredients first, such as chopped vegetables and fruit, then add any soft ingredients, followed by the liquid. Secure the blade support to the bottle by turning it clockwise. Make sure that it is fastened tightly. Turn the bottle over to connect it to the base of the blender, ensuring that it sits flush. Select speed settings 1 or 2 on the dial. Gently press the bottle downwards in order to start the blending. The LED ring will remain illuminated until the bottle is released. To create a smoother consistency, pulse the bottle by applying pressure and then releasing. Once you've reached the desired level of consistency, turn the control dial to 0 and release the bottle. Blending can be carried out for 60 seconds at a time. Unscrew the blade support and carefully remove. Screw the cap onto the bottle and connect the lid and carry handle. Your blended mix is now ready to go. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. For further information about the Smeg PBF01 and other appliances, click on the link in the description.